Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 powerful skills you should learn in 2023. A lot of people has been asking me a lot of questions on which profitable skills should I learn to make money online. So I've received a lot of messages, a lot of questions like this, that what is the best skills for me to learn now so I'll be able to make money online, especially in 2023. So watch this video to the very end to learn and understand these 3 powerful skills that you should learn in 2023 with the guarantee of making money daily online. Remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop amazing videos like this. I create videos about means of making money online, anything online business, freelancing, affiliate marketing, Facebook ad, digital marketing, and so on and so forth. So make sure you watch this video to the very end and like this video. Please share this video to your friends. The number one skills you must learn in 2023 to make money online is called copywriting. Copywriting simply means the use of persuasive word to sell online. It is the use of using persuasive word that will educate, word that will let people interested in the product you want to sell. You get a certain thing you want to sell. Used to convince people to buy something or to convince people to take action. It's either you convince people to take action or convince people to sell. But mainly copywriting is for selling. Copywriting is for selling. So you must have this skill if you want to make money in 2023. You must learn how to convince people to buy what you want to sell. If you can learn this very well and master these skills and know how to do this for people, you make a lot of money with these skills. I can guarantee you that. I can guarantee you that. And don't forget what you do to the very end, because I will be giving you a bonus and at the end of this video. So don't skip any part of this video so you don't also miss everything you should learn in this video. Number two skill you must learn in 2023 is Facebook advert. Facebook ad simply means promoting product. It may be your product, it may be other people's product. But learn how to promote product using Facebook. Facebook is one of the best social media platform throughout the whole world that a lot of people uses. So you have to take advantage of this Facebook now and advertise your product to the people who will be interested. So you must learn how to advertise on Facebook using Facebook ad. You must learn how to show the product, it may be your product or other people's product, to customers on Facebook in order to sell. If you can learn this skill very well and master this skill, that is guaranteed that you will make a lot of money in 2023, because there are a lot of business there that they don't receive order, they don't have job, they don't make money daily. But if you can learn this skill very well and master this skill very well, and you can solve this problem for them, getting them clients, solve the problem of not having sales for them by helping them running Facebook ad on Facebook, then you make a lot of money doing this. Number three skills you must learn in 2023 is sales and closing. Sales and closing. This is the best of everything. Facebook is mainly for you to get leads. These are also called prospects, which are to people you want to sell to. But if you can master sales and closing very well, you'll be able to sell a lot of products. Assume you want to sell 10 products, there's probability that with your copy, if you have a good copy and you master copywriting very well, you're able to sell 5 or 6 of the products, even 4 of the 10 products. But you will learn sales and marketing very well, there is guarantee that you will sell 7 or 8 products out of that thing. You can master all these 3 skills, there is guarantee for you to make a lot of money in 2023. So make sure you learn these skills so that you make a lot of money in 2023. This is the bonus I have for you. So you may ask me, how do you learn this skill? You can learn these skills through YouTube. Through YouTube, that you are here to learn. So make sure take advantage of YouTube and learn and learn. And if you think you want to make it faster, you can receive the link in the description of this video that will guide you on how to get started. It may not be free, but these are the courses that I've tested that will surely help you in this course, like Facebook ad, copywriting, and sales close. Better still, you can chat me on WhatsApp. You find my WhatsApp link or my WhatsApp contact in the description of this video, so you can chat me up to guide you on how to get started. If you think you want to learn this fast and you want to invest some money, a little amount of money to learn these skills, but I can guarantee you that if you can master these 3 skills, you make a lot of money in 2020. Let's quickly do a recap. The one skill I mentioned is copywriting skill, which is ability to promote people's products using copy, using ad copy, using persuasive word to convince people to buy. Number two is Facebook ad, ability to promote people's products online, advertise or show the product to more people online. That is Facebook ad. And we also have sales closing. Sales closing is simply means ability to use more persuasive word like copywriting and sales closing. They are very close. Or sales closing are mainly used to close people to close high-paying clients. You close high-paying clients mainly because you can't expect the same copy for you to sell a 1,000 naira product to sell a product of 50,000 naira. So you need to be an expert sales closer to do this. So make sure you learn these three powerful skills and you will thank me later. I'm sure you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video. Please like this video, just give this video a thumbs up so that this video will also be shown to a lot of people, so to help a lot of people to the video will pop up on your screen right now. So make sure you watch the video. The video is around here. Let's go, let's go, let's go.